To begin with, my approach to project planning and time management was guided by the agile methodology supported by work breakdown structures and Gantt these help me divide the projects into clear tasks and estimate time realistically. While I make most deadline, I take understand make time for testing and backfilling in the final sprint. In the future, I would allocate more buffer times and review sprint goal weekly to stay more adaptive. In terms for engineering decision, I believe my use of Spring Boot, JAV, MVC architecture, and unit testing with JUnit. These choices help me written maintainability and modular code. One challenge I faced was session handling for the role-based dashboard, which require dynamic retaining depending on user type. I solved this using Spring Security session attributes, which taught me a lot about access controls and personalization, two key aspects of system security. Also, I use MySQL effective schema design and focusing on data normalizations and quality optimization. This support long-term sustainability and making the system scalable for real-world usage. Lesson learned and personal development plan. Through the project, I have learned a balance technical depth with project planning discipline. I know understand the values of setting realistic goal, testing testing early and committing code regularly. If I were to do a similar project again, I would use CI/CD tools like GitHub Actions for automatic testing and development, stack user testing earlier to get feedback before final implementation, possibly collaborate in a team setting to improve communications and decision or work. Finally, this project has made me more confident in full stack Java development, and I am planning to deepen my knowledge in developers and uh, cloud developments as part of my personal development plan. Thank you for listening.